Today I'm going to be making Shohei Otani's favorite Nama Choco crepe. It is sold in Japanese Lawson for years and it's so delicious. You're going to feel the vibration of legendary Shohei. Let's get started. Shohei Otani is a renowned Japanese baseball player and has expressed his love for the Japanese Conbini crepes selling at the Japanese Lawson, and particularly the chocolate flavor. The Japanese Conbini crepes are typically thin crepes filled with whipped cream with chocolate chips and chocolate ganache. Japanese Conbini food is so good, and especially the sweets in Lawson is popular among the sweet tooth, including me. If you are a member of Netflix, David Chan proves how good Japanese Conbini food is. Now let's prepare the batter. I made it with rice flour so that it is gluten-free, and you can make it so quick because you don't have to rest the gluten before cooking. Crack the egg and whisk until the yolk and egg whites are mixed well. Add sugar and salt and whisk well until the sugar and eggs are well incorporated. Add rice flour and then whisk well until smooth. Add half of the warm milk and whisk, and then add the rest of the milk. And last but not least, add oil and whisk well. When you add the oil to the butter, you can easily peel the crepe from the pan. You can also use melted unsalted butter, but it has a chance to become solid in the butter, so I prefer using oil in the crepe batter. Pass through a sieve and pour into a measuring cup and set aside while we are making the ganache and whipping cream. To prepare the chocolate ganache, put chunks of chocolate and heavy cream in a ramekin and microwave it for 30 seconds. Remove from the microwave and whisk until smooth. If it's not smooth, cook a little longer to create the smooth ganache. Transfer chocolate on a piece of plastic, then shape into a strip. Chill in the fridge until used. To make the whipping cream, in a chilled mixing bowl, combine heavy cream and sugar and whisk until stiff peaks form. Be careful not to overmix, but it should be stiff more than any other cakes. Mix in chopped chocolate and keep in the fridge until the crepe is ready. To cook the crepes, heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and lightly grease the frying pan with oil. Give it a nice stir to your crepe batter and pour a quarter of butter into the frying pan and swirling it around to coat the bottom evenly. If you cannot cover all the surface, just drop a little bit more butter onto the frying pan. Cook the crepes about 1 to 2 minutes until the edges lift and the bottom is lightly golden. Flip the crepes with the spatula. I do it with my fingers because my fingers are heat resistant. I used to run a small pastry shop. I'm really used to the heat. But be careful not to burn yourself, so using the spatula is the best. Flip it over and cook another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. And cover with a plate and flip it over and take out. And there you have a nice lovely crepe. To assemble the crepe, place the cooked crepe on a flat surface, drop 2 spoonfuls of whipped cream just below the center, and then place the chocolate ganache. Fold the crepe from the bottom over the filling and then fold from the right and left and roll it up. Repeat the process with the remaining crepes and filling. Let them chill in the freezer until firm up, but not completely frozen, for about 20 minutes before serving. The crepe has a chewy texture but less elastic than the wheat flour crepe, so it's smooth and melt in your mouth texture with the whipping cream. And the chocolate comes after the softness, and you can enjoy the rich aftertaste from the chocolate. It freezes well so you can keep it whenever you want. The Major League is about to start, so it's a good idea to enjoy it while watching the games on TV. I cannot wait to see him smashing the home run. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!